So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the fragrance that I'm reviewing today will be the most favorite fragrance from my LV lineup from my side. And as soon as I tried this fragrance, I got a full bottle and not a 100 ml bottle. I got 200 bottle instead of this beautiful fragrance because I really love this fragrance. I will unbox this fragrance in front of you and I will let you know how they smell like. So if you want to know more about this fragrance, please stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel if you like fragrance related contents or this video build any interest in your fragrance collection. Please let me know and turn on the bell notification as well so you can get notified for my future videos. So this fragrance was launched in Ramadan 2022 and it shows homage to the Middle Eastern perfumery, and they use three common flowers that we use in Middle Eastern perfumes, and those are jasmine, orange blossom and rose. So the name of the fragrance, which I will show you just now. Let me unbox this beautiful fragrance. So let me put this one aside. And you got this box. So this is my first Louis Vuitton fragrance that I actually bought retail. So here is it, Fleur de Desert. The name is Fleur de Desert and it's in French, and if you translate it into English, it's called as Flower of the Desert. So let me open this one from here, I guess. Okay. So you have name of the fragrance at the front, you have your batch code and barcode at the top, batch code at the bottom, and then you have ingredients at the back. So that's all in this box. And inside this box you get a cylindrical box, which is this one right here. Say Fleur de Desert and nothing else on the box. It has LV logo on the top, and when you open this one, you get your beautiful fragrance right here. So I love this fragrance so much from the first smell that I got 200 ml bottle of this one instead of 100 ml. So let me spray this one out. And this one is actually amazing. So I always thought that LV fragrances are super expensive, and I tried a lot of them as well, which doesn't justify the price for me. Almost all of them are lacking in some aspect, although this one is lacking in oud as well. But the smell that has along with florals and honey, it's totally mind-blowing. So my love for honey fragrances started after a blind buy a honey fragrance from MFK, and that's how I ended up trying this LV fragrance and I fall in love with this. So if I talk about the notes, the top notes are honey and cinnamon. In the middle you're getting jasmine, rose and orange blossom. In the base you're getting Agar-wood, Ambroxan and Musk Mallow. So this fragrance comes in two sizes, which are 100 ml and 200 ml bottles. The 100 ml costs you about $675 in Australia, and 200 ml will cost you about $1,050. So the best part about LV fragrances are they are refillable. So if I finish my bottle, I can take it to any LV store around the world and then they will refill 100 ml bottle for about $425 and 200 ml bottle for $850, which is so good that you will actually save about $300 if you really love this fragrance. Then you cannot find this one at any discounters or any other place. Even in the fragrance groups you can find them, but they are like $100 cheaper. But if you get a retail bottle from LV store, you can get a good deal by refilling up every time you want it. So this fragrance has enormous lasting and projection as well. This one is amazing and it will last for about 6 to 8 hours. You might be guessing that I just open it. How I know about the lasting? Because they give me a sample as well of Fleur de Desert, same one, and I've been using this sample for past 2-3 days, and that's how I know about the smell and the lasting of this beautiful fragrance. So this fragrance can be worn in almost all weather, and it has two characteristics. It changes with the weather, and when it's cold it smells sweet and resinous and flowery at the same time, but when it's hot summer days the oud start to come up and then it smells sweet, spicy, flowery. This one is super addictive. So I wore this one at work and about 5 people already asked me what I'm wearing, and this can definitely be a signature scent for anyone. For me personally, I really want to be my signature scent for a while because I've been using Carlisle's for some time and I really get a lot of compliment with those one. And but this one will be my next signature scent for few months, that I must say. So the sample that I have today, I just show you the sample I've been wearing for past 2-3 days, and then I sprayed this fragrance and literally it was there the next day as well. It's enormous. It lasts whole day. So it opened up with a soft and sweet mix of honey and orange blossom mixed with jasmine, and before it settled into a softer rose and oud blend, you can say you can get some spiciness as well. I can still detect some sweetness from the honey and the jasmine. One is settled down, but the oud in Fleur de Desert is mainly a woody and a bit smoky and slightly animalic when you take a good sniff. But if you compare it with Ombre Nomade, this one is absolutely the lighter version of Ambrette Nomad. The other aspects, they are all the same. I wish it project more oud, but you can say I love oud fragrances, but the smell is totally unique as well with this fragrance, and it performs amazing on my skin. It's not super strong like Ombre Nomad that I just say, but it's versatile and amazing. If you wear it in a hot day, you will definitely get a compliments like I got some compliments, and then a few of my friends tried as well, and you can say from 4 of my friends, 3 got compliments after they wear this fragrance. And one of my friend got a dupe of this fragrance from Dua, which is named as Desert Flower. And for me, I tried that as well, and it's 80% similar to the fragrance in the first hour. So no one can find any difference if there's the same scent or different. So the only difference that you will be getting is lasting and projection. But if you smell too close and compare them side by side, you will notice Dua is a bit of a powderiness while this one doesn't have it. So if you are looking for just the smell and then you say you want to save your money as well, I say you go with Dua. But if you really like the fragrance, that you can't beat the original one ever. So but still, I must say try it before you spend your money on the fragrance, as this one will disappoint you as well if you are thinking that it's full of oud judging by the bottle. Like Ombre Nomad, it has black bottle like this one, and you say it's very strong fragrance like Ombre Nomad, the pure oud from LV, but this one is actually not the case. This one is actually tamed down, a version of where you can say you take out 50% oud from Ombre Nomad and then you left with the flowers and raisinous and honey. All the accords, they are still the same. So I have reviewed a lot of rose and oud fragrances in my YouTube channel, and then for me this one is the best one until now, and I cannot stop sniffing this fragrance. This one is really the best amazing fragrance that I have seen in rose and oud combination. So if you are not a rose and oud fan, like some people, they don't like oud and rose combination, but you love jasmine, so this one be a game changer for you fragrance, as this one is, you can say, a balanced version of flowers and rose and oud combination. But you can say you can easily pick out white florals and honey in this fragrance. This perfume is so addictive, and I highly recommend to try it out if you love rose and oud combination fragrances, or honey and jasmine fragrance. This one is a good to go, and this one can be worn in any occasion. It can be, yeah, this can be a fragrance for all genders. It can be for a male or a female or unisex. Everyone can wear this fragrance any time of the day, and this one is really mind-blowing. So that's all from my side, and let me know if you guys like any other fragrances from LV, because for me this one is the best fragrance. And that's all from my side, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.